Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is very important video about Comedk 2026 round 4 counseling and what are your options for the counseling.
So if any student or parents are looking for getting the right guidance for selecting the right college, right course based on their preferences. So if you want to avail this personalized counseling services, basically choice filling order and will be provided, as well as 30 up to 30 minutes you can talk, basically connect with phone and WhatsApp this number. So to avail this service you have to pay 2000 rupees as scanning this code, and we can start the discussions.
Now this is very important note for all the students who want to participate in the round 4. Again, there are three type of situations, right? So not allotted any seat in the previous round. If you are not allotted in any seat in the previous round, which is round 1, round 2 or round 3, and for the first time you get the seat in the round 4, you will get an option to accept and freeze and reject and withdraw. Why? Because for the first time you are getting seat in round 4 and you don't like the seat what you get, so you have the option of reject and withdraw, and you will not be charged any penalty or any other thing, which lot of students are asking. There is no penalty, you will see the reject and withdraw, just come out if you don't want to take that seat. Now reject and upgrade status students which were participated in the round 3, if you are not allotted in seat in round 4, you will be out of the Comedk counseling, and as I mentioned earlier, your seat fees will be automatically refunded after round 4. Now accept and upgrade and reject and upgrade status students, if you are allotted a seat in round 4, then you will have to join that college. So those two type of students will have to join the college. If a candidate fail to join the college, she will not only forfeit the tuition fee, so there will be no refund of tuition fee, as well as according to Comedk rules you will be also liable to pay penalty of 5 times the fees, right? So please note, accept and upgrade and reject and upgrade status of round 3. Now you have to freeze the seat in the round 4. You don't have any option, your fees will not be refunded.
So again, I am mentioning here that there is no seat cancellation option during or after round 4. So you have to cancel your seat only in the round 3. During the round 4 there is no seat cancellation option. Any candidate allotted a seat in round 4 will have to join the allotted college compulsorily. If the candidate fails to join, report and continue the study in the allotted college, then she will not be only forfeit the entire tuition. So whatever 3 lakh rupees you have paid, it will not be refunded back, including other fees what you have paid to Comedk level, and also they can send you the notice for basically paying the penalty of 5 times. So that 5 times the yearly fees. So that is the update that you have to be very cautious. If you want to exit the counseling, this is the right point to exit the counseling. After round 4 counseling has started, you cannot cancel the seat. So